Started with a goal which wasn't maybe a fancy goal, but an important one for me, which is about building and maintaining a routine and discipline. If I look at the accomplishment of that goal, I would say I would score myself maybe somewhere around 8 on 10. And you have approached it with me. I would definitely score it a 9 or a 9.5 on 10. So what I have really liked is that the direction for me has been completely personalized and customized. It's not as if you're giving me some run-of-the-mill standard stuff, but looking at what my needs are, you have been adapting yourself. The other good thing is that even in some cases where I have pushed back, maybe because of my innate resistance to change, you have also pushed back nicely, gently, but firmly. And I think it's a good thing. So I value that, to be honest. The other thing which is very nice and good for me is that there are a lot of wholesome aspects of living where I have received both knowledge as well as implementation aspects. Whether it is about the kind of stuff that you can eat, not eat. You have obviously been extremely diligent in recording and writing all that stuff and sending it. So it becomes an institutional memory now. My wife has that list, I have that list, and we are able to kind of do this together. I think a few things which are very crucial, which I realize, is the whole focus on sleep itself. Whilst I have generally been used to sleeping well and sleeping decently, there are nuances that I have learned from you, which have been extremely helpful. And perhaps the device off or screens off for the last 1 hour, you intellectually know it, but making it a part of your life and after waking up 30 to 45 minutes, I think that is something which I have really cherished. And this is something I'm also now advocating to others. I think all in all, it's been a great weeks that I've spent with